I,
Deng Duom Garang,
Speaker of the Bor Community Representative Council,
Speaker of the Bor Community Representative Council,
do hereby swear
do hereby swear
by the Almighty God
by the Almighty God
that as the Speaker of the Bor Community Representative Council,
that as the Speaker of the Bor Community Representative Council,
I shall be faithful
I shall be faithful
and bear true allegiance
and bear true allegiance
to BCYA,
to BCYA,
and that I shall diligently and honestly discharge my duties and responsibilities
and then I shall diligently and honestly discharge my duties and responsibilities in a consultative manner to foster
the development and welfare of the BCYA, and that I shall obey, preserve, and defend the Constitution of BCYA and abide by the law, and that I shall protect and promote the unity of the BCYA and consolidate the democratic system of governance and preserve the integrity and dignity of the BCYA and her people. So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.